Hello everybody. So we've just finished the sample ADU, and you can see it even has a dirt pad that it's sitting on. And if we go ahead and start hiding things, we'll see. It's got the foundation, it's dirt, and plumbing underneath. Oh, the eave vents are now on. If we hide these, you can see they go all the way through into the eave blocking too. The eave blocking's been vented. And if we hide all of these shingles, here's even kind of a nail schedule going on. What we would like you to do with the nail. I wonder what type of nail that is. Click here, click the selection tree, and find out. That is a 2-inch MF framing nail. Everything is vented. The waste is all vented. This one right here is the stove. So I'm going to walk in through the front door right here. You can see there's a hood over the stove. That's going up through the roof. And we have a nice countertop with some plumbing for the sink, and over here, we have washer, dryer, refrigerator, area for the flat screen. This up here is your AC unit. Again, you have your bathroom. Potty. Through here, and this is your shower. Everything needs to be taped, mudded, but it's getting there. Dresser here, with a sliding glass door. You put a base for trim. You also have the AC unit in your room. And a nice area for a bed, 2 nightstands. Everything's insulated. If we start hiding this, you can see insulation. There's all the studs too. Let's see if we just do a quick one. Look at this. You can see there are studs, plumbing going through the walls, and to the areas that you need. Ceiling fans. Oh yeah, I forgot sprinklers. These are discussions with fire sprinklers. It's fully fire sprinkled, slab on grade, 500 square foot ADU, and it has the tankless water heater, which you might like.